Look, I've cut thousands of customers and I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars from behind the barber chair. If there's anything that I've learned, it's customer behavior and how to advertise to them. In this video, I'm going to show you the top tool for barbers in 2020 and why you should throw away every single one of your business cards immediately and never spend another dime on them again. Ever. Seriously. Stay tuned. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Christopher Manyweather with Dead Stock Barbershop, and I make videos to help you take your career as far as you can in the shortest amount of time. With that promise in mind, I have something that I want to share with you guys today, but first let me say this. I hate business cards. I hate them with a passion. They do not work for me. I don't know how you feel personally. Leave a comment down below and let me know if handing out business cards work for you as a form of advertising and promotion, but they have never worked for me. And throughout my career, what I've learned and what I've seen is that what works best for me is social media as well as word of mouth. So with that being said, I cannot be walking around Walmart, pounding the pavement, gone from the shop for an hour, 2 hours, just to go hand out business cards and see them potentially wasted because you don't see the return on your investment. So with that promise in mind to help you take your career the furthest in the shortest amount of time, here's the ultimate networking tool that's going to make you stand out. It's going to elevate your game, and it's also going to leave a lasting impression in any potential client. This is Popple. Well, hold on. This is, give me a second. This is Popple. This little device right here is no bigger than the face on my 44mm Apple Watch. And so what you do, it goes on the back of your phone, just like this, and I'm going to explain right now what it does. Okay, so instead of me trying to describe what this thing is and what it does in my words, which I'll probably kind of screw it up, I'll just go ahead and read what the creators have defined this thing as and how they say it works. Popple is a small tag placed on the back of your phone that lets you instantly share your social media, music, payment platforms, and contact info just by tapping your phone to a compatible smartphone. Okay, so I just finished recording this video and I decided to go back and slide this in. I have 4 of these Popples. What I want you to do is like, subscribe, and comment. Hashtag I love it when they call me Big Popple. So if you do that, you'll have the chance to win one of these. But you have to be in the US. I'm not paying $1,000 to ship this to Africa. Be in the US, I'll cover the shipping. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment. I love it when they call me Big Popple, and you'll have the chance to win one of these. So keep watching this video for the rest of it. I got some great tips and tricks and all that stuff for you, plus the bonus coming up at the end. Bam. So quick story, how I came across this. One day I'm cutting my customer's hair. I'm almost done. I get a phone call or a text or something like that. I got a text message. And so I say, give me a second to my customer. And I grab my phone and I'm responding to this person, and he turns around and he taps his phone on the back of my phone. Instantly, I saw a picture of him, Snapchat, Instagram, his Cash App, and a bunch of other apps appeared on my phone. And I'm like, what the heck is this? What did you just do? And he was like, it's clean, huh? I'm like, what are you talking about, bro? What is this? He's like, oh, this is Popple. And so that was the introduction to Popple for me. And instantly, the thing that came to my mind at that time was, oh my God, this is a virtual business card. This will change the game for barbers or anybody who needs a business card. And so that's why I ordered it. I ordered it immediately after finishing his service, right before my next customer, because I knew I needed to have that device. So now that you know what Popple is, I'm going to answer the first couple questions that come to mind. But before we do that, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also, stick around because later on in this video, I'm going to be giving you guys a bonus tip, my guaranteed way of building clientele that's going to have 2 or 3 new customers calling you every single day about how to book with you. So to attack the first couple questions that come to mind, how much is it and how do you set it up when you get it? Starting with the price, Popple is only $15. It's a one-time purchase. There are no fees associated with the purchase of Popple. It's no monthly, recurring, nothing like that. No subscription, anything like that. You just pay $15 plus your shipping. If you live in a state where you have taxes, of course you're gonna pay taxes on it. And then setup is super easy. All right, so how to set up your Popple or activate it. Download the Popple app, available in the app and Android store. You'll set your profile. Enter in your information, add your social info. So now you're going to activate the actual device. You're going to scan it on the top of your phone if you have an iPhone, and you're going to scan it in the middle of your phone if you have an Android. And you peel off the 3M, stick it right to the back of your phone. Just that simple. Next up is my key features list. But first, make sure you like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions or content ideas that you'd like to see. And you'll have the chance to either have your question answered or see your idea in an upcoming video. Also, stay to the end of this video for the bonus tip that's going to grow your business quickly. Now I'm going to talk about some of the key features of Popple, starting with the first one, that being the customer does not need Popple. Popple will work on any phone pretty much that has NFC built in, and if it does not, you have the card in your Apple Wallet, or you can scan, there's a QR code inside the Popple app, which your customer or potential customer can scan and have all your information that way. So next, we're going to talk about privacy. A lot of people will be like, man, how safe is this to put my information on there? But it's 100% safe. All it is sharing a link to your profile. You're not giving them access to your actual account or the settings or anything like that. If you're sharing Cash App, they won't have the password to enter into your Cash App, things like that. All you're doing is giving them the link. It's no different than if you told them, hey, my Cash App is $CHRISLM23. I hope you guys got that if you want to send some money my way. But yeah, it's no different than just doing that. You're not giving them access to your personal account, only to the outside of the account, not the in-depth details of it. So it's 100% safe. You have nothing to worry about on that end. All right, and so the next feature is your ability to edit on the fly and Popple Direct. What Popple Direct is, as you can see, once you pop something to someone's phone, you have a full, complete profile of everything that you want to share with everyone. But Popple Direct allows you to directly pop one thing or one app or one link or your Cash App, whatever, directly to an individual, not share everything. So if you're just hanging out, hey man, you got Instagram? Yeah, I can share that with you right now. You go onto the your profile on your app, you'd hold down Instagram wherever it is on your list, and you drag it up to that first position. Whatever is right up under your profile picture, that is the first position. When you turn on Popple Direct, that is what will be shared with an individual. So the next feature is going to be your instant contact sharing. So not only do you have the ability to share apps and things like that, you can also share things like personal websites or your business websites, as well as your contact information, so your phone numbers or your email address as well. So that's their instant contact sharing. So because this is newer software, every phone is not going to be a compatible device. Newer phones are going to work great. Older phones, not so great. So in an attempt to fix that, there's a feature. The next feature that I'm going to talk about is your ability to add your card. So when you can't bump this to someone's phone because their phone is too old to be able to receive the information, they can pull up a QR reader on their phone or their camera, and they'll scan your QR code, which you can put inside your Apple Wallet if you have an iPhone. You just bring it up, and your QR code will be in your Apple Wallet. They scan that, and it'll take them to the website or to your profile, just like if you were to bump your phone to their phone and it worked. And the last feature is the greatest feature. It's waterproof, and as long as you have it, you can use it forever, indefinitely. You have an unlimited amount of pops. You can use it every single day. Like I said, there are no fees associated with it. You just use your Popple to share information, share contact info, share your business, all of that stuff, and it's unlimited. So enjoy it. So in conclusion, I think Popple is a great product. It is beneficial to anybody who hands out business cards, not just barbers or stylists, but you got guys who are auto salesmen, shoe salesmen, whatever. You know, whenever you're handing out your personal information, this is a great product or tool for you to use in that type of way, even though it wasn't originally designed for that. That's how I'm going to use it, and that's how I recommend a lot of people use it. If you're not going to use it that way, it's still great for sharing your social accounts. If you want to share your Snapchat, Instagram, TikTok, all of those things, it's perfect for you. So I highly, highly, highly recommend this product. Make sure that you go out and get one. I will have a link in the description. Actually, I'll put it right here. It is Deadstock20. That is a coupon code for you to get 20% off of your purchase. That should cover your shipping, honestly. So make sure you guys check them out. This is a great product, and let me know. Come back after you get yours. Come back and comment on this video and let me know what you guys think about it, because I think it's an awesome product, and I'm going to use it until they come out with version 2 and 3, but I'm stuck on them. Like I said, I'm not a business card type of guy. I'm more technology, and this fits right into my character and what I like to do and what I like to use. So make sure you guys check it out. Now for the bonus tip. If you hung in there and you watched this entire video, congratulations, you are an OG, and I appreciate it. And I'm going to bless your game if you are a barber or in any kind of business. With this tip right here, this is what I do, and I get at least 2 to 3 calls every single day asking me, how can I book with you? How can I get in? Do you have an opening? And things like that. My tip for you is, and I know guys are sleeping on this, Google, guys. Make sure you have a Google account. With Google, people will be able to see all of your ratings and the reviews and all of those things. Make sure that you're asking every customer that you cut to leave you a review on Google. It doesn't take too much time. And also, what I end up doing after every new client comes in, another thing that I'll do is later on that day or that evening, I'll send them a text message saying, hey, it's Christopher from Deadstock. I really appreciate you coming in today and giving me an opportunity to do what I love. Can you please leave me a review on Google? Here is the link to my Google. And I'll send that to them. They're like, hey, no problem, I got you. Bam, it's done. I don't say leave me a good review, don't leave me a bad review. I don't say anything like that. Please share your experience. And they do it. So far, I've had nothing but 5-star reviews. So it's bumped me up. I got the most 5-star reviews, and I have the best reviews in the area. So now when people are saying barbershop near me, what are they doing? They're seeing me. They'll see Deadstock Barbershop. There are barbershops that old school. These guys do not think about Google. They don't think about the internet. But guess what? You guys are young, or you guys are progressive enough to know that, hey, people are looking for everything on the internet. They'll be sitting in your barbershop upset that they got to wait 30 minutes or an hour or 2 hours, whatever it may be. They're going to hop on their phone and type in what? Barbershop near me. So make sure that you guys are using everything that's at your disposal. It's free. I don't pay for Google listings. The best thing about it, it's something you can start immediately. You just go on to Google, you create an account, and you just put that your business is here or there. For me, what I ended up doing at my old shop, I had, so of course you have the shop's listing, right? The shop is on Google, it's a business. My shop was called Show and Tell Cuts that I worked at. But what I ended up doing, and I actually got this, I cannot take credit for it. I got this from a guy, his name is Aaron the Barber. He's one of the best promoters and marketers that I know that is a barber. He's everything, his clothing, everything has his name, his logo all over it. And so what he showed me is that you can create a listing and say, so for mine, it said Christopher at Show and Tell Cuts. It was separate from Show and Tell Cuts. It wasn't taking anything away from Show and Tell Cuts, but I was able to start to build my brand up, and in a short amount of time, you can get your following up even at your shop. So that's something that once you leave that shop, if you do, or if you choose to, you can just change the name to whatever shop you're at now. Christopher at Holy Hands Shop, or wherever you work, or if it's your barbershop, now you have that, the client, the ratings and the views, the 5 stars, all that stuff is there. The only thing that you're going to change is the address and the name, and it's simple. It'll go with you, and you'll always have that listing. You can say that this closed down, we open up another location, here's the name, whatever. Make sure that you're taking advantage of this free advertising that's right there at your fingertips. Thank you guys for sticking around and watching this. I hope I was able to help you in such a amazing way, that this information has helped me and it's helped me grow throughout the years. So make sure that you guys are applying these things that you're hearing me say, and it's only going to benefit you. It's going to benefit your family, because you'll be making more money ultimately. And God bless you guys. I'll see you in the comment section, and keep watching, and subscribe. Thank you.